Hello guys, welcome to Cloud with Bharat YouTube channel. We will be back in another interesting video. Today we will see side by side comparison between we can take virtual machine on AWS Cloud and also Microsoft Azure. We can learn both clouds, how we take virtual machine in both of the clouds. Yeah, we should see the interface in AWS. We can see the keys like for now we can take Ubuntu and we can select the existing key that will available on our laptop, or else we can create a new key pair by choosing this option. For now I'm already created VPC. I can choose existing VPC, and I'm already created security group also. Okay, we need to give 15 GB. We should give, we want 3 instance, we can give 3, or else we need 10 instance, we should give 10. For now I'm okay with one instance. We can give one instance and click on launch instance to get a Ubuntu virtual machine. Okay, we can see that it is successfully initiated and generated successfully. We can see the public IP and we can see the whole interface of getting the instance. We can see the option. We can connect. We can now connect through mobile external software, or else you can use putty software for connecting the Linux virtual machine. For now I can move forward with mobile external software. Okay, okay, we can connect the instance we created on AWS console. We can see the instance is connecting. We can see we have successfully created an instance through AWS console. Okay, we have successfully created a Ubuntu machine on AWS console. For now we can create a virtual machine on Azure also. We will see in detail. So we can see the Azure portal. We can go virtual machine service and click on create to create virtual machine. This is also kind of the virtual machines, how many virtual machines we want. Okay, for resource group I have already created a resource group, and let's give a VM name and click on availability zone. You can choose as per your requirement. Okay, in this I had also taking Ubuntu server as like as AWS console. We have taken. I had. I'm creating a new key pair. Mm, let's go to disks. By default, it should be taken as 30 GB. We will go with standard SSD. You can choose based upon your requirement. We will see everything. I will leave as usual. Okay. Click on create button to get a virtual machine on Azure. Yeah, we should see download private key option for creating a new key pair. We should see it should be successfully generated, and click on return to create a virtual machine, Linux machine, so that we can see virtual machine is generating on Azure portal. I think it will be take 30 seconds to create. Let's wait for completing. We can see the service is successfully created, like virtual machine is successfully created. By using Azure, we can connect the virtual machine. Yeah, we can see the SSH process. For this also, I am using mobile XTERM. I am using my key pair. So we should see one is from AWS console. We have created a virtual machine, and another one is Azure portal. We should create it. Okay. We have learned how to explore both clouds and create a virtual machine. We have seen side by side comparison for creating like virtual machine. So hope you understand everything and consider subscribe if you learned any new thing. Thanks for watching.